Assembly of the QuadLock compatible mount. For this you will need two M3 bolts 24 millimeters long, two M3 nuts, a 50 millimeter or 2-inch O-ring, no thicker than 2.5 millimeters. And these are the printed parts. These are the two main parts. I printed them out of PETG in different colors just to make it clearer, but you might want to print them in a strong material like this one I've done in a polycarbonate. So the first thing you do is you take your O-ring, fold it in half, and you insert it through these slots. Make sure you sort of clean out the supports properly, and I usually like to clean out these grooves because that's where the O-ring's going to sit. So put one end through that slot and put the other through this one. Push it through like so that they come out. And you take the locking ring part and make sure you align these tabs with where the O-ring comes out and slide it in. Take one end of the O-ring, stretch it and hook it around the tab, and do the same thing on the other end like so, and that completes the main part of the mechanism. Works quite nicely, and that O-ring sort of functions the same way as the spring on the original part. So where is it? Here's my QuadLock equipped phone case, and we can test it out. Goes in, locks in, nice and solid. That. And to continue on, I'll take these. I'll take one of the bolts and kind of put it in through just a little bit, and use it to push it through these holes like that all the way in. Unscrew the other one. Push it in nicely in there, and then I'll take you can put different types of interface. I've included this GoPro style interface, which QuadLock actually doesn't offer as an option for their mounts. So it's kind of good to have something unique here. Just put it in. Tighten. Screw it in. Like so. Here's a GoPro style mount. Just put that in. Kind of cool. To mount this directly on a bicycle handlebar. I've included files for a couple of files for printing these in TPU, nice and flexy, just kind of opens up and wraps around your handlebar, and you can choose to mount it this way or that way depending on the way you want it on your handlebar. And so basically you take the bolts and push it through the holes, a bit tight in there. That, and then take another pair of M3 nuts, push it into those hexagonal holes. There, and put it around the handlebar and take either a couple more M3 bolts. These ones are, I believe, 10 millimeters. And there you go. That's it.